In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add images in Glide. If you're building an app in Glide, images can instantly make your screens clearer, more welcoming, and more professional. I'll walk you through the exact process, explain where everything is, and share a few helpful tips so you feel confident adding visuals to your project. First, head over to Glide and log in. Make sure you're using the account where your project lives. And it's helpful to have your image files ready on your device so the upload goes smoothly. Once you're in, open your app project from your dashboard. If you manage multiple projects, double-check you're opening the right one so your changes land in the correct place. Inside the editor, look to the left sidebar. This is where your pages and screens are organized. Select the page or screen where you want your image to appear. Picking the correct screen now keeps your layout clean and avoids extra moving around later. Now it's time to add the visual. Click the plus Add Component button. Components are the building blocks of your interface, and the image component is designed specifically to display a picture cleanly and responsively. From the list, choose Image. When you add it, Glide places the image component on your screen with default settings so you can immediately tailor it to your needs. Click the image component you just added to make sure it's selected. You'll see its settings appear, allowing you to control what's displayed. Since we're adding a new picture from your device, choose the option to upload a new image. Select your file and let it process. Common formats like PNG and JPG work well. For best results, use clear, high-quality images that are not excessively large. This helps your app load faster and look crisp on different screen sizes. If your image includes text, make sure it's legible on both light and dark backgrounds. Once the image is in place and looks the way you want, go to the top right corner and click Publish to save the changes. Publishing updates your live app so your audience can see the new image. If you're working in stages, it's a good habit to publish when you complete a meaningful change so everything stays in sync. Thanks for watching this step-by-step Glide tutorial. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video, leave a comment below, and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials and walkthroughs. See you in the next video.